Hi, welcome to Motor Machines Tinkle series. Today let's make very interesting activity, motorboat. It's really very fun activity. So for that you need these two foam pieces which will come from this piece. Okay, you can see from this I took, and then you would require a fan, okay, which is like a propeller. So propeller you will get from this box, okay, where there are different fans. I'll tell you the use of other fans also, but first we'll make the motorboat with this fan, then we'll use other fans and see how it performs. And then we need double-sided tape, 4 pieces are enough, okay, and then we need a 3-volt power source, okay. Let that be in off position, okay. When all the connections are done, then only switch it on, because here you should never short circuit this one. Then we have a motor, okay, and then let's start doing it. First step, take the double-sided tape, okay. These are simple steps. Just peel off the top part, keep one here, one more on the bottom, here, okay. The idea is this one we will keep on the top, okay. So remove this top part also, okay. Now this one, let's put it on the top, okay. So first step is done. So second step is we'll attach the motor, okay. So I am again taking the double-sided tape, and this one I will attach the motor on the top, okay. So based on the working, actually you can keep it on the side also and on the top, okay. So that tinkering you have to do when you keep it inside the water. Just ensure that the water doesn't go inside this. So I'll keep here, and then based on the working I'll try to change it, okay. So when you also do, try to see at which position it works better, either this one or this one, okay. So I'm keeping here now. Then I will take one more double-sided tape, keep it here for the battery holder, and here the connection, it depends on whether you want the motorboat to go forward or backward. So it depends whether you connect black to red or red to black, and you can see the change of the direction, okay. Last is we'll connect the propeller. In case if the propeller is not going inside water, then you can remove this piece, and you can tip it on this side, and then this will surely go inside the water, okay. But the problem is, once the water spills over this, the adhesive property may go, okay. So that's the problem in this connection, but this also works. Generally if it works in this position, then it's better, because the water will not go inside the motor, okay. You can add extra weight or those things so that it goes inside. That tinkering you can do. That's it. Very simple activity. And then so this will touch the water, and then let's see how it works. So here let's test it in the small tub, but you can enjoy it if you have a bigger swimming pool and if you put inside that, okay. So let's try it out. This should touch water. Wow. So you can take different fans and test it out. So I took one more fan. Let's try this. So here I changed the fan. Let's see how it works. Wow. Okay, so you can try changing the fans and then see how it works, okay. In this activity what happens is, once the water spills over it, and this adhesive property may go. Okay, so you can use other tapes again. So a lot of experimentation in this kit. Enjoy doing the activity. Thank you.